Hello students, welcome to new challenger problem of accelerated physics. The question is, a small body A starts sliding from height h down an inclined groove passing into a half circle of radius h by 2 as shown in figure. Assuming the friction to be negligible, find the velocity of the body at the highest point of its trajectory after breaking of the groove. Particle is released from here. It reaches here, right? This height is h. Velocity at this point will be how much? Velocity at this point will be how much? Square root of 2gh. This will be velocity. Okay. If we assume h by 2 equals r, h by 2 is radius, and let's assume radius is r. Okay. Therefore, h can be written as 2r. H can be written as 2r. Therefore, speed, velocity at the lowest position comes out to be how much? Square root of 4gr. अब ये जो वेलोसिटी है 4gr, दिस इज लेस देन स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 5gr. स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 5gr से ये कम है, तो ये कंप्लीट सर्कुलर मोशन करेगा नहीं, है ना. हाईएस्ट पॉइंट पर जाने से पहले ये अपने ट्रेजेक्टरी को लीव कर देगा, छोड़ देगा. क्लियर है ये. और जब ये अपने ट्रेजेक्टरी को छोड़ा उसके बाद का मोशन एक प्रोजेक्टाइल मोशन होगा. तो प्रोजेक्टाइल मोशन के हाईएस्ट पॉइंट पर वी वांट टू फाइंड वेलोसिटी ऑफ द पार्टिकल. क्वेश्चन क्लियर है? ओके, लेट्स सी हियर. वी कैन राइट इट दिस वे. See here, we can convert this problem into this problem. This is a circle of radius r. इसका radius कितना है? r है. Its radius is r. At the lowest position, particle is given a velocity. How much? Square root of 4gr. Okay. U equals square root of 4gr. Let's assume here at some point here, normal force becomes zero. Normal force from the surface, from the track, it becomes zero. जब ये normal force zero हो जाएगा, then it will leave the trajectory. Okay, yes. तो उसके बाद का जो motion होगा, that will be a projectile motion, right? Let's assume velocity here is v. Draw horizontal line here. Let's assume this angle is theta. If this angle theta, this angle will be 90 minus theta, and this angle will also be 90 minus theta, right? Now, this height will be how much? This height will be, this is r from here to here, this is r sin 90 minus theta. It will be r cos theta, and from here to here, this height is r. Let's assume this is reference level. Lowest position is reference level for potential energy. Okay, potential energy at the lowest position we have assumed 0. Applying mechanical energy conservation, we can find v. Find कर सकते हैं. Mechanical energy conservation, we can write what? See here, let's assume this is position A and this is position B. We can write mechanical energy at position A will be equal to mechanical energy at position B. We can write kinetic energy at A plus potential energy at A equals kinetic energy at B plus potential energy at B. Can be written as kinetic energy at A, it's how much? Half m into u square. Half m u square. Potential energy at A 0 equals kinetic energy at B half m into v square. Potential energy at B m g into r plus r cos theta. M cancelled out. Multiply by 2, u square equals v square plus 2g r into 1 plus cos theta. U square is nothing but 4gr. U square is nothing but 4gr equals v square plus 2gr cos theta, right? It can be written as v square equals 2gr minus 2gr cos theta, right? At position B, velocity is v and v square comes out to be 2gr minus 2gr cos theta, right? At this point, vertically downward force is mg. Normal force 0, right? It means only one force is acting here, right? The component of mg towards the center will be how much? This angle theta, this angle 90 minus theta, this angle will be theta. And component of mg towards the center of the circle will be mg cos theta. It comes out to be mg cos theta. And mg cos theta will provide the necessary centripetal force at this point, right? Yes, we can write mg cos theta equals mv square by r, can be written as m by r into v square. V square is nothing but 2gr minus 2gr cos theta. It can be written as m cancel out from everywhere, right? Yes. Now it can be written as g cos theta. G cos theta equals, or just multiply by r. We can write rg cos theta equals 2gr minus 2gr into cos theta. Rg, gr cancel out. It comes out to be cos theta equals 2 minus 2 cos theta. From here we can write 3 cos theta equals 2 and cos theta equals 2 by 3. Cos theta equals 2 by 3. At highest point. At highest point.
What will be velocity at highest point? At highest point, velocity will be only horizontal component, right? Velocity will be only horizontal component. Velocity will be v cos theta. At highest point velocity, v dash can be written as v cos theta. Okay. What is v? V square is square root of c here. V square is 2gr minus 2gr minus 2gr cos theta, right? You have to take it, which is square root. V will be square root of, we can write here, V will be square root of 2gr minus 2gr cos theta. Cos theta comes out to be 2 by 3 into cos theta, 2 by 3, right? After calculation, it comes out to be 2 by 3 here, square root of 2gr by 3. But our answer should be in terms of h, because the question given in terms of h. H by 2 equals r. H equals to r. We can replace r by h by 2, right? Therefore, the final answer comes out to be 2 by 3 square root of 2 times of r, that is h. G h by 3. It should be the final answer, right? Yes. If you have any doubt anywhere, you can comment. Thank you.